In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email header in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional header ready to drop into your next campaign. First, open your browser and search for Canva. Look for the official site in the results and click through. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account so you can save and export your work without interruptions. From the dashboard, click Create a Design. In the search box that appears, type Email Header. Choosing this preset ensures your canvas uses common email-friendly dimensions, which helps your design display correctly across different email clients. You'll land on a design page with a panel of templates. Take a moment to browse the email header templates and pick one that matches your brand's tone: minimal, bold, playful, or corporate. Think about your brand colors and typography as you preview options. A simple, balanced layout with clear spacing is often the most effective because it keeps the focus on your message. Next, go to the Uploads tab to bring in your logo. Drag it onto the canvas and position it in a clear spot, typically the top left for a familiar reading pattern, or centered for a more symmetrical look. Use a high-quality file, ideally a PNG with a transparent background, and size it so it's legible without overpowering the header. Leave comfortable margins so it doesn't feel cramped. Keep your copy concise. Add a bold headline to communicate your main offer or your company name. Short phrases work best in headers, and they should be skimmable. Choose a font that aligns with your brand and make sure there's strong contrast between text and background so it's easy to read on desktop and mobile. If your template includes a subheading, keep it brief and secondary to the main headline. Open the Elements tab to add supporting icons or photos. Select visuals that enhance the message and maintain a consistent style. Avoid overly busy or high-contrast backgrounds that compete with your text. If you're using a photo, consider slightly dimming it or adding a subtle overlay so the headline stands out. Keep enough negative space around text and logos to prevent clutter. When you're done, click Share, then Download. Choose JPG and set quality to around 80% for a smaller file size that loads quickly, which is important in email. If your design relies on crisp text edges or transparency, select PNG instead. Save the file with a clear name, and you're ready to add it to your email platform.